Hi, my name is Sami from Kona Project Control Services. Since we have launched our scheduling assistant tool, we have received many questions from the planners around the world asking about the features that we have implemented. In this video, I will be demonstrating some of the features, so stay with me until to the end and let me know if you have any questions. The scheduling assistant tool, I will call it SAT going forward, connects to 3 Primavera databases. In order to connect to databases, we click on this button. The 3 databases are SQLite, SQL Server, and Oracle. I will connect to all of these 3 databases. First, SQLite. SQLite file generally resides in My Documents. So when I click my document, I can see the SQLite file, open it. Now the connection between SAT and Primavera database has been established. I can load the projects. So click on this button, all the project has been loaded and they are available in the drop down list. I can select any project that I want to load. So let me select one of these and then select the data to be loaded. Once the data has been loaded, we will see them in WBS sheets. As you see here, the WBS are in the left hand side and all the activities under each WBS has been brought as well. So the next one, I will be connecting to Oracle database. So Oracle database generally is in main driver, application folder, Oracle data, Oracle PMDB. This is the Oracle database file. We select that, and then once the connection has been established, again same process. I will click on this button to load the projects. I will select OK. All the projects that we have in that database are loaded and available for us to select. I select one of them and then we can have all the data related to that in WBS sheets. So these are the WBSs and activities under each WBS. So the third one is SQL Server database. That is in main driver, program files, SQL Server folder. Again, PMDB, that's the database file. I select and then connection has been established. Now I can load all the projects. Project has been loaded. Now I have all of them available in a drop down list. I can select one of them and load the data. The data has been loaded and they are available in WBS sheet. Now I will create one schedule in Primavera and I'll connect to SAT and will develop it by adding WBS and activities. So let's go to Primavera and add new project. I will call it schedule in SAT. Once I create it, I must do a refresh and load the projects. Schedule in SAT is available to select. I select that and then load its data. In WBS sheet, only we have the project name. Now we can start with adding WBS. I will start with adding milestones, then mobilization, engineering, 3 WBS. Now I want to export them to P6. Click on export to P6. 3 WBS has been exported. Open P6, refresh. Sometimes we require to close the schedule and reopen it. There you go. All of the 3 WBSs are in P6. Now I want to add some more sub WBS for engineering process. Click it again, export it, refresh in P6. The process in here. Now I want to copy paste some of the activities from another sheet. Let's say these are the process engineering activities that I must have in my schedule. So paste them all in here under the process WBS. Then I click on the export activities to P6. 287 activity has been created. All the activity IDs are here with duration 5 days, same as Primavera, and task dependent for activity type. Now after that I will add one more WBS. I will call it mechanical. Export it to P6. And then I will copy mechanical engineering deliverables from the file. Copy under the mechanical, paste and export. Activity has been created. I'll go to the end, create another WBS, and I will call it piping. Export P6, and then I will copy the piping deliverables or drawings and paste it here. Exporting them to P6. 84 activity has been exported. If I come and refresh, process WBS and all the activities that we have just created. Mechanical WBS and activities, and piping WBS and all the activities that are under the piping. Now I will expand my schedule even more. Procurement WBS, and under this procurement I will copy all of the packages that we have, then export them all to P6 all together. 28 WBS has been exported into P6. Refresh, and we have all the packages in P6. So I will be adding activities under each of these packages. I will copy the activities from this sheet here and paste them under the first WBS. I will delete this extra row, and I can easily copy paste them one by one under the WBSs. Now once I have copied them all, I will export them to P6. 162 activities has been exported and created in P6. All the activity ID has been created by SAT. So let's go to P6 and refresh. There it is. All the activities that we have just copied them under the packages are brought into P6. So let's check how many activities we have created so far. So in total we have 632 activities created and added into the P6 so quickly and easy. So hope you have liked it. Please let me know if you have any questions, any comments. I will be happy to answer your questions and comments regarding SAT. In next video I will demonstrate the resource loading, and you will realize how quick and fast and accurate is resource loading through SAT. So until then, thank you very much and goodbye.